that's what, yeah. You don't get no closer now. Yesterday we had a half a wheelbarrow left. That was it. So you don't get no better than that either.
That was good. Hey, look at that thing coming out.
That's turned down. It'll dump a 10-yard truck and just let them turn in. And it'll pump 500 feet long.
There's the walkway from the house to the apron. They're smoothing it out now. The apron comes along here to where there will be an entrance door to the shop. And of course, you can see the shop floor size is 24 by 25. These fine gentlemen are finishing up. The walkway comes all the way up to the house. Well, this is what they call a broom finish. Looks really good. There's my electrical conduit and a stray glove from one of the workers. And then there's a smooth finish to the pad itself. Looks really good. Let me walk over here so I get a total perspective. On the right side of my house is the entrance through the fence to drive up to this garage and shop, whatever you want to call it. So I'll drive up through here, and that right front apron corner was extended out so that it won't be driven over the extreme corner of it. And that widens it so that it's easier to drive out onto the pad. Also to exit the shop and drive out. So that'll be nice.